Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adinda Sabila. I'm from PBID. Looking at the link between parents' educational backgrounds and students' English environment. Introduction. Education is essential for the development of society. The more educated the people of a society are, the more civilized and well-disciplined the society might be. Education is also a primary need in this era globalization. Education gives insight, grows the personality, inculcates moral values and knowledge, and provides skill for people who will live in a very competitive society. In very while highly qualified people are needed. However, there are several studies focusing on the problems of education in Indonesia, including Mukminin, who argued that there are some problems of education in Indonesia, including curriculum, budget, quality, purpose of the education, national examination, and learning facility. These kinds of problems have influenced the quality of education both in national and in international levels. For example, although since 1995, Indonesia has taken part constantly in every round of students in international mathematics and science study, or CINSS. The results have not been satisfactory. Of the 38 countries participating in 1999, Indonesia ranked the 34 and the 32 in math and science respectively. In 2003, performance in maths increased to 411, while the science scores slipped to 420. The reverse occurred in 2007, with math performance decreased to 397 and science improved to 427. Scores in both math and science fell in 2011 to 386 and 406 respectively. In 2015, math performance increased to 397, while science performance decreased. The result of Indonesian participation in CINSS have implied the quality of education should become the responsibility of all parties, including government, school, and family. Family is one of the important factors of supporting the education of their children. As a unit of society, the family is obviously a major socializing agent, so that is important in determining the child's motivation to achieve success. Mualat 2010, mainly family has responsibility for socializing children, for making them productive members of society. The more the parents are involved in the process of imparting education to their children, the more the children might excel in their academic career and to become educated and responsible members of society. Backgrounds and economic background have a significant effect on their children's education. It means that parents' educational background plays an important part in their children's education. The education received by the children depends very much on the education that their parents have. In relation to education, English is one to the compulsory subject in Indonesia's educational system. The internal and external factors, for example, tend to influence the learner's English environment. Furthermore, data from Education First English Proficiency Index also show that the average score of Indonesian English proficiency was 52 and 74 and labeled as a moderate proficiency level. This course has placed Indonesia in the 2003 rank out of 63 countries in terms of index data. Compares the average English language ability in different countries. The data indicate the English proficiency in Indonesia is still lower than the other countries. However, learning English is not an easy process. There are some problems or difficulties in learning English. In their study, Abrar Mukni found that the problems in English, the findings of the previous studies in the link between parents' educational background and students' English environment are still mixed. The current study investigated the correlation between parents' educational background and students' English environment and one senior high school in Palembang, Sumatera, Indonesia. Two research questions fill this study. 1. Is there any link between parents' educational background and student English advisement of the 12th grade students at one senior high school in Palembang, Sumatera, Indonesia? And 2. Does parents' educational background influence students' English advisement of the 12th grade students at one senior high school in Palembang? Literature review. Parents' educational background refers to parents' high educational education, that means the highest level of education attained by parents. International Standard Classification of Education from UNESCO has grouped in 9 levels of education. They are early childhood education, primary education, secondary education, upper secondary education, post-secondary non-tertiary education, cycle tertiary education, bachelor's or equivalent level, master or equivalent level, doctoral or equivalent level. Parents with higher level of education are also more likely to believe strongly in their abilities to help their children learn. 2013. Highly educated parents have greater success in providing their children with the cognitive and language skills that contribute to early success in school. 2013 also adds the relationship of parents' education to their children's environment. Motivation in academic area is mediated by parents' beliefs and behaviors are likely to influenced by their educational experience, and how these parents' beliefs and behaviors actually influence children's achievement, motivation in academic area. Additionally, family characteristics such as parental income, education, and family size seem to be connected to students' achievement. In terms of student achievement, Algarve and Desi 2001 state that achievement is the competence of a person in relation to the domain of knowledge. Additionally, Sukmadit Nata 2007 stated that achievement of students could be seen from mastering the subject that they have taken up. Achievement refers to the good result from learning in educational English. Achievement has a strong relation with academic achievement. English achievement means the competency that is achieved by the student in English subject. Being well-educated parents give benefit for their children. In 2008 state the parents could serve as good role models, being conscientious, ambitious, and methodical, all of which will contribute to make their children more successful at school. Moreover, educated parents can provide their children with ways to get good information at home. Guntula Meta Gukel and Berhanun found that educated parents had more attention to the facility used by their children related to their study, especially in learning English. Students from good socio-economical and high potential educational background have good chance for getting admission in good professional courses. Parental education level also determines the facilities and the cultural level of the home. Udo and Sunny, 2012, find that educated parents often get a better job. Thus, with their income, they are better prepared to give educational materials for their children. In other words, this suggests that students manage to support their learning with educational material because they have parents who can provide them with educational supporting materials that they need, including in learning English. Methodology, research design, and disciplines. In this study, there is a correlational approach to find out the link between parents' educational background and students' English advisement. The first procedure was identify the parents' educational background by using educational background questionnaire. And the second procedure was we gave the students test of TOEFL. The next step was we analyzed the link between the two variables through SPSS based on the result of the educational background questionnaire and TOEFL test. 108 senior high school students were involved in this study. Data were collected through a parent's educational background questionnaire and English test. Data collection and analysis. In this study, we used questionnaire and a test the instruments to gather the data concerning the link between parents' educational background and students' English advisement of the 12-year-old students at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. To obtain the information about parents' educational background, we use the questionnaire from UNESCO 2011, which was adapted by Apriliana 2015. The questionnaire consisted of parents' educational background, which was related to parents' high school education. The questionnaire asks about the level education of father and mother of the students. In scoring parents' education background, the students to keep one of their parents' educational background level, including early childhood education, primary education, lower secondary education, upper secondary education, post secondary tertiary education, third cycle tertiary education, bachelor of equivalent level, master or equivalent level, and doctoral or equivalent level. The score was from 0 until 8. The highest level education is the high score is a high score indicated a higher degree of educational background level. To obtain the students' English assignment, we use TOEFL Junior test. The purpose of the TOEFL Junior test is provide an objective measure of the degree to which students in the target population have attained proficiency in the academic and social English language skill. The decisioners of the TOEFL Junior Standard test answer the TOEFL Junior Standard test is an English proficiency test that is not based on or limited to any specific curriculum. There are 3 sections: listening, structure, and reading. Each section contains 42 first choice question with a total testing time of 1 hour 55 minutes. TOEFL Junior test scores are determined by the number of questions that a student has answered correctly. There is no penalty for a wrong answer. The category of the result of the test is grouped in very good, average, poor, and very poor. Findings and discussion: parents' educational background and students' English assignment. 108 students participated in this study. The descriptive, statistical, and analysis of parents' educational background for the participants indicated that the maximum score was 8 and the lowest score was 1. The mean score of parents' educational background for the participant was 5.05 and the standard deviation was 1,588. This mean scores indicates that the level of parents' educational background of participants in cycle tertiary education D2 or D3. It was revealed that from the questionnaire that 9 levels of parents' educational background were all perceived by the students with different numbers. Primary education SB was as the less perceived level and bachelor or equivalent level was as the most perceived for both father and mother education background categories. The result of normality test and linearity test. The data were interpreted as normal 1 if P005 if P005 it means the data were not normal. Kolmogorov Smirnov was used to see the normality. The result of normality test indicated that the data from each variable were all normal and appropriate for data analysis with sufficient 290 for parents' educational background and 605 for English assignment. For linearity test, definition of linearity was option. If probability is more than 0.5, the two variables are linear. The result showed that the division from linearity between parents' educational background and students' English achievement was 769. Collaboration between parents' educational background and students' English achievement. Based on the person's product moment correction coefficient and the result indicated that the pattern of correlation between parents' educational background and students' English assignment was positive. The correction coefficient or the R option 420 was higher and R table 176. Then the level of probability P significant 6 to 12 was 000. It means that P000 was lower than 0.5. Thus, there was significant correction between parents' educational background and students' English achievement. The details are following. Influence of parents' educational background on students' English achievement. The result indicated that parents' educational background influenced students' English achievement significantly with value 4,763 was higher than table 1,982 with 6 value 000 lower than probability 0.5. Therefore, there was a significant influence between parents' educational background towards students' English achievement. The details are following. Dependent variable English achievement. In addition to know the parents' educational background influence on the students' English achievement, R square was obtained. The result of the analysis revealed that the R square R2 was 176. It means that parents' educational background need a significant effect in the level of 76% towards students' English achievement and 82% was a unique point factor value. The details are following. Furthermore, the more educated the parents are, the more they are able to pass along the education and help their children excel in school. Parents with little or no education might be very difficult to understand or help their children in the area of education. For example, Taham 2013 states that parents with a higher level of education are also more likely to believe strongly in their abilities to help their children learn. Highly educated parents have greater success in providing their children with the cognitive and language skills that contribute to early success in school. Also, Gunla Mera Gaghel and Berhanan 2012 argue that educated parents have more attention to the facility used by their children related to their study. Moreover, Carnegie 2010 argues that parents who have a high educational background and a good English competence generally prepare their children to face globalization with good English preparation. They will help learning English by doing many ways, such as providing their children with facilities or paying variable tutors. Furthermore, the result of this parent study is also in agreement with the findings of Apriana's 2015 study, who found that parents' educational background was correlated to students' English achievement, even though the correlation was not strong. In addition, Ardila, Rosalie, Matut, and Gujardo 2005 indicated that there was a significant correlation between the parents' educational level and the students' test performance. Conclusion: the current study investigated the correlation between parents' educational background and students' English achievement at one senior high school in Palembang, Sumatra, Indonesia. Based on the result of the parent study, we found that parents' educational backgrounds were significantly correlated with students' English achievement with R420. The category of correlation was rare. Additionally, the linear regression analysis showed that parents' educational background 17.6% significantly influenced the dependent variable students' English achievement. In short, the total contribution of parents' educational background and student English achievement showed a significant link, although the contribution was small, suggesting that there were other factors that could contribute to their students' English achievement, such as school, teachers, friends, and environment. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.